I'm asking a genuine question.
I would. Come on
Hi
now.
guys, it's been a while.
Been a minute.
Welcome back to what are we going to
Stay talking where the conversation never ends. We're quite energetic.
I miss being in front of it. I actually posted a story on IG there.
Yeah.
And I realized what I was saying on that story was that I realized I like watching myself speak. I genuinely do.
Bro. Like I look at myself there and I'm like, I'm quite intellectual.
Narcissistic.
No.
Narcissistic behavior.
I mean, you should love yourself, isn't it?
Yeah. I just genuinely watch it just to listen to myself.
No, I only watch myself. I'm so
hate
sorry.
watching myself.
Why?
Because I feel like I'm gonna critique everything that I do.
Yeah.
Like,
why were you doing that?
I will notice the bad things, but I'm like,
Stop that.
I think, do I notice I do notice the bad things there, but then I'm like, oh my gosh, she's so pretty.
Period.
I think we should dive right into off your chest. Yeah. Today, guys. Agna Lutel 10. Freestyle. Dropping bars, freestyle. Record label, but
you see
levels. So, about football.
Me. Okay, you gave me an idea now, but I'm gonna skip it. Maybe next time. But
So
like this one was, I hate when people use buzzwords in arguments. Like you just said, narcissism. There's people that when you talk to them, if you disagree with them, oh, you're a narcissist. Oh, you're gaslighting me. I feel
monitoring
those are just words
spirits.
that exactly. Those are words that people just throw just to shut you down.
Yeah.
And the
Without them
monitoring
understanding.
spirit one. Why are people getting into arguments and the first thing that they do instead of talking to their friend, they go on TikTok. Let me tell you how my friend was a monitoring spirit.
Story time of how
You know,
I never actually watched those,
bro.
Yeah,
like people be doing the most. But my actual off my chest. Zulu parade, guys.
The Zulu parade.
I forgot about that.
The Zulu parade. The Zulu
Did they
parade.
apologize? I think I saw one video.
No, they didn't.
You know, actually,
they
I
didn't.
saw another video. This lady, she's like, yeah, you South African people, if you got, I think her name is Sha something.
Yes.
I'm gonna report you to the police, the comment
To
section.
get deported. Deported to where?
System of
Deported to
life.
where?
From here.
Until she's gonna report us to our authorities.
Sharif,
right?
get
And then she's gonna want the South Africans that are living in SA to be deported. And then the people are like, no, the ones in US are not harassing you. It's us. The
It's
ones
us.
and then you can't report us. What are you gonna do? We'll just buy them cool
And
drink. I
the
was like,
funniest thing about that interaction, you know, the first time I found out that SAPS has a website. I
say,
had no idea.
No,
Say-
okay,
That's
I
his
kind of
website.
knew.
No
SAPS
website.
apparently has a
I
website
kind of knew.
where you can.
I always look for
Reports,
people, wanted people there. Really?
you what? When the level of stalking is escalating to another level.
I'm so sorry.
I think
little bit
she's
too
studying
well.
to become a detective.
No vibes.
My dad is a detective, so
Oh, like father, like they said, cousin.
Like father, like daughter.
Said cousin.
yeah, I inherited it.
Investigates and
I always look for people ne, even if like I search you ne, I'll search you good. Are you wanted for something? People are my space.
Actually now.
That's such a good idea.
Actually,
Yeah.
Avela in her investigations, I have complaints. My fellow podcaster here in her investigations, she closed channels for me last year.
Like, I'm so sorry.
But isn't that a good thing?
Yeah.
What do
Think
you
about it.
mean?
She closed the channel for you last year. This year, so right.
You see.
You see?
But still, what if I could have been right last year?
I can't live life out of what ifs, my guy.
But
What if you wouldn't?
Analysis.
What if?
Well, I never. Why would you post something like
And
that?
now what's crazy? She blames me for
Still
it.
context.
Exactly.
Okay.
Chill.
Oh no, looking at us so you run.
No, ne.
Context.
If you're gonna start something, finish it.
Okay, let
Yeah.
me give you details of the story. Okay. Avela has this now friend. Yeah, bro.
Bando. Talented.
I don't want to mention names, you know.
Yeah.
Mama.
Actual talent. Shame.
Another one. Because talenters are baddie. Never forget that.
Yeah.
Hey,
Another
Dimo,
one.
why you my daughter
Another
in the
one.
flesh?
Okay.
Yeah, bro. So Avela has a friend.
Uzongiphatha ne-group chat, yeah.
Usheshe ufike kwi-point yakho
Yeah,
phela uyathatha sama-detour.
So the friend apparently, you know, ngokuva kwami nami
Wangikhatha
into yokubana, you know, saw me, you know, and saw the liking.
I liked you.
Yeah,
Okay.
bro. And I can't lie, when I heard who was the friend, you know, now I actually saw the liking, you know.
Okay.
But then I found out into yokubana I did a TikTok with a classmate of mine, you know, and I posted it. So when she shared her investigation, she bumped into that video, and she assumed in the banner,
Jolana lo classmates.
you know,
There's no way you're gonna post a girl and you're not
you know,
That's like
And
the
grand
initial
scheme,
thought.
if there's never been a girl on your page.
On your
then
page,
all of a
that's the
sudden
only
it's a
girl you posted. I was like, my sister,
nah,
show
Cap.
your
You know,
tongue.
if you had done your stalking properly, if you had went to my early videos of TikTok,
I went to your early videos of TikTok, even when you
Shut
were
up, let's cut.
like,
I ain't there, you guys. How can you
There
be
was-
such in a guy?
I have so much free time. I even went to videos when you were in high school. You were in the I
Bye,
don't know.
bye, bye.
You were in a school office or whatever, staff room or whatever. I went there. From there until recent videos.
Damn, she basically knows your whole life.
bro,
It's crazy.
No, but at least
is
she closed
mad.
the channel and then
Yeah.
that is
a
mad.
different door opened.
That is
I'm
mad.
so
But I can't lie. I'm happy where I am, eh?
Oh, baby.
I'm happy where I am. I can't lie.
That's good.
Ah,
That's good.
should've
Right.
done
Don't
the opposite.
do behaviors of your gender because.
That's
Why
like
you
preaching
mean-
to the choir.
What you mean? Babegamba ngam ne. Ngibeke as logo ka stay talking.
Respect us, please.
No, my
platform.
That's
No,
between
my initial fear, it's a guy being like this, and then he ends up cheating on me.
I want to
nobody's
sleep, my face.
No.
You know what my biggest fear is in a relationship? I think it's something I'm going through now. I am not in a relationship
okay.
yet.
And like Olu lately has been mentioning into some dating very often.
Something is
There
working.
is somebody.
Something is working.
There is
I won't
something.
lie. Yeah, but one thing, I won't lie.
Because you're charming.
Like,
You guys
Upla,
don't
just thinking about
understand.
it. Oh
You guys
my
don't
God.
understand how this guy is. Yo, okay, sharp.
okay.
So something is working. And my problem, me being blue, when it comes to making friends, I vibe mostly namachi. There's no way you're gonna put me in a room, namantombazana, and then you expect. But if you put me in a room with gents,
You vibe.
especially abanengqondo esizokwazi ukuphisana kahle
Ne?
Yeah, but that's the
We
thing.
vibe.
No, will chop your head. Yeah.
I live for dog. It's very nice. Demolishing egos is
Lou will chop your
feeling.
head.
It's like yo. So now his friends, right? His friends are the type of gents I'd vibe with. If you get what I'm saying. So now it's a situation where when I go and see him and his friends just come around, now the friends just start talking and there's no way I'm gonna ignore you. You're gonna say woman,
You see,
yeah,
yeah.
so now I start like I can have conversation with the guy's friends name. But my biggest fear is that now I'm having conversation with the guy's friends. The guys will know what's okay. Which I keep it like. The guys will know what's okay. Mntana yethu busy land. And then when Intana Yawa does weird things on the side, obviously they're not gonna tell me bro code,
Yeah,
and I
bro
respect
code,
that.
yeah.
Ne?
But
But
now
now,
it's like-
when
Type shit.
when
First time
I-
hearing a woman saying that she
Nah.
respects bro
No, because
code.
then
I
I won't
genuinely
tell you
do.
if my girls.
I genuinely do respect the bro code.
Yeah.
So now, when now he went and he did whatever he did, right? Now the gents are gonna cover for him, or they won't even need to cover
and they'll
for
laugh
him,
in your
but they won't.
face.
Or not even laugh in my face, but they'll just know behind the like. For
Yeah,
me,
Dude, I learned the hard way. Don't be friends with your niggas.
You know,
friends.
that's
But
the
don't be-
my
that's the
intention
thing.
is not that.
You
My
know.
intention was never to be friends with those gents.
But it's never gonna be the intention. You guys are
Intention.
just at the same
Manje
place
ngenze
at the same
njani?
time. so
Uma
many
bekhuluma
times.
ngenze ngithi
No, you talk.
They-
But that's
But
the
don't be
thing.
friends with them.
I'm not
Don't
like,
like your
currently
friends.
I'm not friends
They
with
ain't
them
your
at all.
friends,
But
shame.
now it's the whole idea of that they know ukuthi lo ukhona lapha yabo.
Yeah.
They know what's going on. Now they know. Now it's gonna be a situation where if something was to happen, they're gonna protect their friend, as they should.
Yeah.
Right. And now the conversation is still gonna be there. We're still gonna be in the same place at the same time. But now they're gonna look at me. I feel like they're gonna look at me differently. And then when I
Was
find
it double
out,
game?
ukuthi, "Kate beas." Hey!
Yeah, Bonak.
But that's
My
the
question is,
thing.
well, why you guys at the same place so many times? Like, is
So
he
Luguti,
not
it's
making
football
time
jets.
for you? Okay.
It's football jets. So before him and I started doing whatever we're doing, right? I knew
Ayina
those
label
jets,
leg.
but then ngangibazi from afar.
Okay.
Ukuthi, okay, la machita dlala bola, and then we hlangani, dlala bola, that's it. But we weren't ngangibabona, hello, hi, sure. Savannah. Hello, hi, sure. Bese ngiyavana. But now whenever I go out and I see him,
They also there.
they're
They're
there.
always around.
Right. And if they're not there, they're not there because we're there. They're just there.
Priorities. But okay,
yeah.
That's the
them being there. Sorry, I've been like, sorry. I've been jumping on you. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Oh, shame with the yo. It's so sorry.
They use.
Advice. I'm sorry.
They-
This is exciting because we never talks about this stuff.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, listen. Now, I wanted to clear out the whole aspect here, Landuka. The Shandis Yokbana. Niggas will look at you and they will think of Bana taking you for a boost and shit.
Vele, you look at her. No,
yeah,
miss,
boy.
don't lie.
Assumptions.
Don't lie.
Assumptions. That's the thing. As much as Bana, I'll know that my boy is cheating on you. I won't look at you and think, Bana, my boy is taking you for a boost.
Because he is.
That depends on how he speaks of you.
I,
What do you mean? How is
guys' logic is
You
really
never
insane.
know. That's the thing. I will never know.
When you will never know.
Yeah. So for me, it's gonna be like vele laba kade belokhu bengijwayela vele.
That I
And then me
understand.
being Lou that never does these type of things, the one time I actually do it, then
And then you fuck me
This
over.
shit happens.
I'm not saying I'm
That's
expecting
why-
it to be perfect.
Cause
Right?
situations like this.
Ngingamlaleli uAvele.
Situations like this.
Don't
I
do
swear
that,
to
guys.
I swear to God, about when you know yourself. If you ever do something,
And my thing is, okay, you guys are in the same places because y'all do the same stuff. But I feel like how often it happens, it shouldn't be happening that often. So you and his friends are at the same place. at the
Yeah,
same
it should
time.
not be that
Shouldn't.
often.
Yeah,
Isn't
it
that
should be
advice, am I?
either he's
No.
spending time with you or he's
Yeah.
spending time with his friends.
Yeah.
See, there shouldn't be.
I learned
Yes,
that in
I-
Durban.
yes,
I learned that niggas, stop bringing your hands around your friends.
Because your
Stop
friends
doing
also
that.
may want
Stop
your
doing
girl.
that.
Yeah, I never find out.
Yeah.
Besides that,
This was hey, ntombazane.
the time for you to have a strong and healthy relationship, you need to spend time with your hand alone.
Thank you.
Because if you're spending time with your hand and your friends,
Yes.
you don't get
We
that
do.
opportunity to actually, because
We
now
do
she's
spend
bonding
time
with your
alone.
friends.
Like
You
a
see,
lot.
She's
You
not
do
bending
a
with
lot.
you.
Like a lot.
Like a lot.
Okay.
All of a sudden, go and hang out.
Like realistically, you should really see his friends like once a month.
Yeah. I'm not gonna get
Literally
me
live
stay, you
opposite.
know.
They literally live like
No, there should be a boundary in there.
neighbor.
When you're there, they should
Yeah.
not be there.
And they know when you're there.
phela ba hayibo guys angeke ngifica abantu uthola it's their spots bahlala khona amajita ahlala
No, phela manje. No, phela you're there now. Angithi you're there. Usufikile. Abahlele.
guys
No, like seriously.
Your
I'm not
nigga
saying
must
you
be-
must destroy the friendship, ne?
It's not
But we're saying
necessarily.
Uti, there should be a boundary, imagine ngoba usenomuntu. There's no way, even if like my friend, ne, okay, we have
If you're with your girl, you're with your girl. If you're with your friend, you're
Your
with
friend should not
And what
come.
she's saying is, if Bachila Lapo, there's a difference between you going there and they're there, and you being there with him,
And then they
just
come.
keep showing up all the time.
I should have a great each one. At their own rate, you shame. And they should be scared of you.
understand.
Actually.
But the
They
thing
should be
is,
scared of you.
how are they gonna be
Nothing
scared of
like-
me when it's like how do I put this? It's like you see now with your friend group about Hex and whatnot, right? And then let's say I start dating
Ngazifisela intembi. Ngazifisela intembi Lu.
I need to reevaluate my friends. People can't be saying yo
so
when they
deep,
think
like,
about my
God
friends.
forbid,
Like,
but let's just say I start dating one of y'all, right?
one of us.
I'm getting
Hello, Betuna. I don't even get justifications for being
we are
here.
not young. So now
Me being the one.
I start dating one of y'all. But you guys already know me. We already have conversation. Now, whenever I see him, too, right? And then you guys now start saying your poem. I ain't go back and go back team. You guys like you were going somewhere and then you're like, oh, by the way, nah, bala. And then we start talking.
Okay, I see if they're
Do you
passing
see?
by.
Yeah.
It's not like
by.
it's not like the way I see it. It's not like they're like no, it's like umuntu usobaphuma uyashuta ngibengisa yesitolo ahamba esitolo aphinda abuye and then it's like, oh, by the way, I wanted to ask blah blah blah. Then it just drifts into conversation. Because we've already been conversing way before I started dealing with them. Do you understand? So it's not necessarily, I can't now be like, okay, I might just say
Me
No, we're not saying
personally,
that.
me personally, I love it when my friends fear my hand.
You see.
It brings joy to my heart.
They shouldn't be able
see,
to
it
walk
brings
up,
joy
they
to
open
my
my
heart.
back
They shouldn't,
Okay,
you
but
shouldn't be friendly.
when your friends fear, who creates that platform for them to fear? Whose responsibility is
It's
it?
the guy.
It's not mine.
It's not your
you see,
responsibility.
the thing is, Gengoku, when I experienced that, I didn't have to create it. You know, she was already a scary person on her own.
Have you met me?
Yeah, bon.
Okay, but I'm not scary.
But that's
Yeah.
the thing, Lou.
You vibe with the guy.
I'm straightforward, but I'm not scary.
Oh, yeah, bon.
And I'm a social person, dog. I can't
Yeah.
go around saying you're called court. I mean,
That's the thing.
No,
I remember my friends
I'm a
used to
social being.
my friends used to describe her as a person who would kill a person now.
Whoa, that's a different
Like
type of scary.
like that's how scary she was to them.
That's not.
Yeah,
I
but-
mean, I've been a
Oh, yeah, but
No,
but
we're
since
talking
you-
about
like since
respect
like
scary.
since you like
But
in
there is
respect
boundaries to
because
it.
it's
because there
them
was a
fearing
time-
her in that sense, it created distance. Yeah, bon.
Okay.
It didn't give them that thing of banner for them to be friends with my hand.
Like, I
Even
wouldn't
though
say
they were
we're
friends with the friends of my hand.
I wouldn't say
But when
me
it
and
came to my
those
hand,
kids
they-
are friends. Because they wouldn't call. Okay, let's say because our race has a balcony, right? They would never be like, Lou, what's a so cheap? They'd never do that. And yesterday, right? Literally yesterday, one of the friends wanted one of the girls La Paris. So the girl gave the guy a number, but then the guy did not have a phone yet, right? So it was a situation where I had to take the girl's number, send it to my guy, so that he can send it to the friend. But before that, the friend was like, the friend wanted me to take the friend's number and send it to him directly. I was like, but dog, I don't like that. And like,
Yeah.
nah, but I'm
Yeah,
like,
also.
nah, I don't like that. Like,
Nah.
calm
And-
down. And he was like, I don't know, go to Katel and and then when he came back, then he's like, what's going on? I'm like, oh, just, and then the friend was like, no, just tell her, Zofagi number. I can't remember, guys. And then he looked at me like, well, I'm with it, I can stop. They're like, nah, I don't like that.
Yo, I love a tall guy. Oh,
Yeah, you must be tall.
Short kings worldwide.
Are you short?
Man's better.
Who's short?
Short kings
short.
worldwide.
He's taller than all of us.
He's not taller than all of us, this one.
He's taller than you.
You're not
Suguma.
Sugum.
Uzobona izondenzisa phambi kwekamera. Yeah, kancane bethu
If
Don't be a wuss. Suguma Spon.
Yeah, kungcono uthi ndiyiwosi ke.
Oh,
Check
I-
Point being, that guy built that. First of all, when you're with your mans, even his friends should only say hi, keep going, keep pushing. Because you're talking to him, why must they talk to him then? Unless we are from Zulu, there's no reason for you to have to talk to him that way.
uyangibona ukuthi sekwilo
That's the scary.
it.
That's the scary we're talking about. Ukuthi they must be scared to interrupt the
Yeah.
conversation. Because my nawe, maybe a little depth, but they keep pushing. Ukuthi uyesitolo ufuna ukumbuza ukuthi
Hey, I hope he
umphathele
watches this
instant
episode
fish.
like.
nakhona
like a
ukuthi
month later.
bebembize sisho intombi yami ithe cha lapha usho ukuthi cha mara uzosho njalo so the people will know.
Baba question.
Exactly.
guys,
And Nyani,
You see,
My
at least the
hand-
guy is saying it.
my hand and my friends should not be communicating via WhatsApp.
Thank
Oh,
you.
via WhatsApp.
And my man and my friend should
Well,
not.
no, I'm lying.
Via
Like
WhatsApp.
they
I
They-
said
they
yo.
shouldn't.
I said yes so enthusiastically, but I do that.
They shouldn't.
How
Like-
you a man when I'm God, what's going on?
And that's going on here.
I'm talking past experiences. I literally do that. Usually, I'm friends with the person, the people he's friends with. So I text
I don't need to be friends with your friends.
I personally don't want to, but I'm such a vibe.
Yeah.
I'm
usually.
such a vibe.
That's a
I
good enough
suffer from
excuse.
that.
Guys, it's so draining.
I suffer
oh my
from
gosh. I'm such a
Being such a
I'm such a
vibe.
great person to converse with, especially
Like
if you want
people
to
never get bored of me.
Awesome. I'm the best.
Mina no shame, I'm such
I
like
love
ngiyathu-
And with gents even, because there's certain things I'll be like, oh, it's nice, diminishing gents' egos. There's certain things I'm like, but dog, umuntu ngiyabona ukuthi ukhuluma ipoint evalid and iyangishaya le point yakhe ngithi, but dude, do I really have to explain that to you? That's so basic. Lesikhathi angizwalutho.
My favorite
Is your
hobby-
brain smooth?
Like, how
Nah.
dumb are these? I understand that gents are not that smart, but you can't be the dimmest light bulb in the pack.
You
I
see-
think sakabamba light bulb. Yeah, like,
Second one will light up. And I'm gonna sit there, but like, damn,
did you just say that?
am I really the dimmest?
And I'm like, but is
Nah,
that really
mara
what you
usibuda
think?
nyamaza usibuda kuto 1+1. Ngeke ibe dimmest.
Is it- I'm like, is that really how you think? Like you fully develop your brain and cells and all that. Is that how you view women?
Yeah.
So you think your
A
dad's so your
condom
mom
should
like this?
have could have
And
prevented
you
this.
did it up.
Who
You think your mom
raised
saw your
you?
dad like this?
Who raised you?
Yeah, my new favorite hobby is because where I work, I have to deal with students, and they like to argue. My favorite thing now that I can kick them out. Sitting being slow, get out.
I can't decide. I don't speak stupidity. I'm so sorry.
Yeah. Yeah.
Be
That's
nice. Don't be
bullying.
like her.
It is.
Be nice.
Highest form of bullying. Oh, actually, speaking of bullying, guys, I've been joining TikTok lives. So catfishing is a real thing, eh?
Even now, people still get. Oh.
Yeah.
Catfishing is a real thing. So there's this other person that joins TikTok lives. How? Umuntu
I already feel this
unalento
way.
yokuchoma yazwa yini? Unalento ethi nekhaya senemali, ethi ekhaya Mubi. I know made in God's image and stuff, but hey, God was blinking there. God was blinking there. So umuntu uyachoma
That is
and
crazy.
ulokuthuka about yeah wena namabele 5 liter wena in
Oh, okay.
and this is
Ow.
You did not.
oh my god this is something that happened like a while back like a while back. So this person now sekubana lento leyo ukuthi okay uyachoma bese sekathuka abantu yabo, and now people now like they retaliate to I now in and now I'm one of those people that retaliated again. Manje, you're going back and forth. Now here comes another person. This person uses an influencer's pictures. So created a whole page, and then the page got you code, a whole TikTok account, posting what the influencer posts as if they are that influencer. So now uyangena makangena kule live leyo while we're attacking this person. Mangena kule live naye sekayaqala lento yakhe. So apparently who posted a picture of the person that was hosting the live and said this person is a bully, blah 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 blah. So we're trying to understand how does influencer ihlangana nalo muntu lo, because like it's someone on that panel that was making themselves out to be the influencer. Oh, yeah, lento catfish ezayithi bathi mabamthola delete account. Delete deactivate account.
Exactly.
Like, Do you know how much effort it takes?
I will, dude.
Yeah,
People
why
have
not?
been scamming the past few weeks. They do that. People have been doing that. They use celebrities' numbers and they ask for like 1.5. And
People
I hear
actually
that.
send.
I hear that. But for you to like spread false information
About another person.
About
But
another
some
person.
people live to be trolls, dude. Like just be trolls on the internet. They just that's why people have the
Like you see
private
how
accounts.
you get the pleasure when you diminish a man's
Exactly.
ego.
That's how they feel.
Other people they
That's
get
different.
pleasure when they hate on other people.
I mean, I actually hate on my account, on my real account.
So we hate yakho.
She uses her own account.
I have a ban warning like on TikTok, so I don't comment anymore. What? I don't.
When I will and make many people account amaningi and
Yeah.
being watched because if you get banned.
You see, I have to start all over. Yeah.
I don't be hating, but I comment.
I know your comment.
No, the thing is, people say stupid things on the internet, and you have to. But for lying, and TikTok doesn't like me for some reason.
Mina guess about where the TikTok drama. Like being in the middle of it. Wait, now Lou, you saying
Just start TikTok drama, bro.
Yeah, started.
People
I'll
do
join
it
you.
for
I don't have the
usually.
energy to start one
Yeah,
because I give up easily.
I think someone needs to start it, and I have to.
Sesingeni live, sesiyaxoxa wena Lou, this is what you saying. Manje yalo. Why are you fighting?
Awusemdala.
Into engahleka.
But yeah, guys, be on the lookout for Stay Talking TikTok drama.
Yeah, guys, actually,
oh.
we're gonna have a TikTok account ne. Ningakhohlwa ukwenza izinto ezenzekayo.
You
And
know,
then,
Sizabe still live and stuff.
wait, tomorrow
Tomorrow
We're going
night.
live
tomorrow
tomorrow.
night
Yes.
on the
Tomorrow
account.
night, we're going
Yes.
live. Yes. Yes. I think there's also a Facebook account, by the way. Please go like and follow the Stay Talking Facebook account.
I think an Instagram one would be.
Yeah.
Don't we have an Instagram one?
We should.
We should have.
Yeah, we can have one by the end of.
Tonight.
I mean, I'm going to see maybe week. As is by the tonight.
End of the week.
By the end of tonight.
End of the
I wait a week.
What you mean?
End of the week.
And
Creating an account is not that difficult. Come
It
on.
being active.
Yeah, it would be active.
Hey,
Okay.
Dadlala. End of the
guys,
week.
about for keep off your chest us too.
I both
Verse 3 of chest in.
Off your chest ka mahle uthi yena ucela ushayisa.
when
Uqedile kuphangela namuhla.
Okay.
Anzaki. Ine.
Andazi ke nami.
What's that song? I'm sorry, the Nicki Minaj song. Somebody bring me to the place and
Get up and see clean.
Okay, guys, sesiyavala ke manje. Aba usekhuluma ngento ezingasese.
Yeah.
Oh yes.
Oh,
Asidlala. I was just kidding.
TMI for the kids.
Just kidding.
TMI.
Yebo, PG-13
How?
bakwethu.
How?
You.
Xa sivaleni njengoba izo
Lululemon. Kwaye nomuncu
bani umuntu
Lululemon.
Don't forget to have a date on the Red app. It's posted on Wednesday, 5 p.m. on the Soft Network.
Coming
Stay
to you
tuned,
live
guys.
from
Like, subscribe, comment.
We like, we share, we subscribe.
It doesn't cost a thing.
It doesn't, and the conversation
It just
mustn't
costs your
end here,
data.
guys.
It mustn't
It
end,
mustn't end here.
guys.
And there's niphenduleni nani kulama comments.
Get press on YouTube.
Niphenduleni.
type.
Mna
Tag.
xa nifuna mna ndiphendule
Tag me.
specifically.
Tag me.
Nithi Myolis.
Uthi Avel.
Last time they called you a bigot, so I don't think you want that. Eh?
They call me what?
A bigot.
They called me.
bigots.
But they said I've never seen
Such
such bigoted comments in the first 1 minute. The 1 minute was him talking about, gender.
Oh, I didn't check what the 1 minute was.
Listen, could let's traumatize in Thailand enough. Jim, all of you.
I didn't see that one. I didn't see it.
Yeah,
What else did I want to say? Oh, guys, don't be scared to engage in the types of topics you guys want us to talk about.
You should give us
Please.
ideas.
Right? Maybe we have like a WhatsApp channel.
Yeah. Maybe have a I don't know.
A WhatsApp channel where people
Can confess.
confess.
I don't know.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Actually.
Confessions.
A confession link, right?
Yeah.
Confessions.
Just when
Don't be messy.
That one,
No.
actually, that one can be done. What are you doing today?
these are my confessions.
I mean, we can read the confessions on live if
We can.
if we
Yeah.
create the channel
Can.
today.
Yeah.
Yes, we can. We're gonna create a channel today. Share the link. It's gonna be on the TikTok profile and the Instagram profile. We'll someone create an Instagram today,
Yeah.
and then we will put the link on the episode.
The link on the episode.
We'll put the link on the episode to the WhatsApp channel, please, and stay tuned for the WhatsApp statuses as well. Mwah.
Confessions.
Love y'all.
Man, I'm falling.
Kancane, mina ngithanda umuntu wami.
Give heart to my confessions.
Seshika.
Kwaphelela buthole gospel.